Welcome to Automation and Development Lab, guys. Today we are going to see Java if else statement. So open your Eclipse and we are going to create one class, okay, within the day1 project, and let's give its name as example if example. So we have three types of if else. So first we are going to see this if statement only, then we are going to see if else statement, then we have if else if statement. Okay, so let's take this example as age is 35. Now if age is greater than 18, then you can simply print that you are eligible for for voting. Right, now print it. Yes, because age of 35 is greater than 18, so this condition is true. So the loop will execute this statement system.out.println. Right, now let's take another example where we will see if and else condition. Right, so simply we are going to check even and odd. So for that, what we can do is, let's check that if the number is even or not. So we can write like this, and else this will print number is odd, and if the condition is satisfied, so it will print number is even. So this is our if else statement. So the current number is 35, so it should be odd, so it is printing number is odd. So in case if I am changing it to even number, then it should print number is even, so it is printing correctly. Now we are going to see our if else if condition. So for that we will see highest of number, write code for highest of number. So in this case, what we can do is, we will take three numbers, int a is equal to 200, int b is equal to 300, and int c is equal to 500. Right, now let's put the condition if a is greater than b and a is greater than c. So what should be the output? Output should be that a is the greatest number, right? And in case of second condition, else if, we will write b is greater than c, so it should print b is the greatest number. And in the third condition, if a and b are not greatest, then final output should be like this: c is the greatest, c is the greatest number. Right, so now we are going to execute it. So C is the greatest number here because 500 is the greatest number among the three values. So in case if we change it to 600, what will be the output? A is the greatest number. So it is printing A is the greatest number. And in case if B is the highest number, then what will be the output? B is the greatest number. And this is the example of if else. So we have one more type of if else, that is nested if. So for that we will simply comment this statements and we will see this example again. So age is the example we will take, and here what we are going to do is simply we will check this condition if age is greater than 18, right? So it should be 27 and weight should be above 50. Weight is equal to 50. So in this case what we are doing is simply we are using nested if. So here weight should be greater than 50. So what it is going to print? It is going to print us that you are eligible for vote. Else what it will print? It will print you are not eligible for vote. You are not eligible for vote. And it will also execute this statement, else statement. So here it will print age should be greater than 18. So let's run this code and see. So it is giving exception because we have commented this bracket also. That's why it is giving error. So actually, so now it will print correctly. So you are not eligible for vote. It is printing you are not eligible for vote. And why it is printing like this? Because we have put condition that weight should be greater than 50. So let's make it 70 kg and it should be equal to and greater than 18. Now what will be the output? Yes, you are eligible for vote. And in case if I put here 70, so what it will print? Age should be greater than 18. So it is executing this statement now. And in the first condition only it printed you are not eligible for vote. So it means all the conditions are executing correctly. So this was our nested if example. Nested if example. So thanks for watching guys. Don't forget to subscribe my channel.